department as a MIS coordinator. As I joined INSEAD in October 2020, and as per my term 1 term 2 project, I use Facebook user data for my analysis with EDA. So let's continue. We all know the Facebook is the most popular site in the whole world. In the Facebook is founded in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg. There are more than 800 million active users, which is 50% login of Facebook in every given day. The average user have a 130 friends. The average user in a connect to 80 community pages, groups and event. The average users create 90 pieces of the content each month. There are more than 30 billions piece of the content, web links, news stories, blogs, posts, notes, photos, album, etc. share each month. Facebook enable to keep to touch in with your family and friends. Facebook enable to create a special interest group. Facebook is now available in 101 languages. There are over 310 million Facebook users in India alone. There are United States, Indonesia, and Brazil with the 190 millions, 140 millions, and 130 millions Facebook users respectively. So next slide. What is I use for Facebook analysis for the understanding of distribution of the users? I use age, group, gender, etc. For active users, activity are like sending friend request, receiving friend request, likes, posts, and etc. To find a hidden pattern and trends in the database and extract some meaningful information by creating various chart and graphs like univariate, bivariate, and multivariate to drive conclusion and actionable insights, which will help Facebook on creating Facebook post and contents. It suggests to or target audience below 30 years old. Now only increase the amount of the Facebook followers, but also focus the Facebook contact to get the most engagement from Facebook to retain title of number one social network application, extend its business across the world also. It's a data dictionary. What data I use for the my EDA? User ID, a numerical value uniquely the user, age of the user in year, DOB day part of user's date of birth, DOB years part of user's date of birth, DOB month part of the user's date of birth, gender of the user, tenure, number of the days since the user has been on FB, friend counts, the number of friends the user has, friendship initiated, number of friendship initiated by user, likes, total number of post liked by user, like received, the total of number like received by user, mobile like, number of post like by user through mobile app, mobile like received, number of like received by user through mobile app, ww like, number of posts liked by users through web, ww like received, number of like received by the users through web. Age group are using a Facebook more and less. As per graph, it's a left skewed data, it's a normal distribution, and positive skewed. As per graph, there are between 20 to 30 age group are more active than other group, so we focus below 30 age group. Is which age group has more number of friends. It's a box plot chart, and as per graph we saw youth group has a more number of friends than middle age and aged group. This slide is which platform is more used by user for liking. As per graph, we saw mobile platform is more used for liking. Web user are half than mobile users. So this slide conclusion is more people are using a mobile application rather than web application. Which gender has initiated less friend request? It's again box plot chart. As per graph, in the youth group, female have initiated less friend request than other. Of correlationship, as there are more things are highly correlated with the positive correlation, and there are many negative correlationship with the things. As per my observation, diagnoses are having a value the plus one as expected, as anything is 100% correlated to itself. Second, year of birth and age are having a minus one value as expected. Tenure and age having some slightly positive correlation. Friendship initiated and friend count having a slightly negative correlationship with the age. Mobile like received and WW like received have strong positive correlation with the like received. Friendship initiated and friends count having a strong positive relationship. Mobile like received and WW like received having a strong positive relationship with each other. Inactive user slide, as I assume there are most of the people are not using a Facebook, that they are inactive users, as we things showing they don't having any friend counts, even they not yet post any single things. As not inactive user have not in a single friends or group. As per data, man users are more inactive than female users. They are not using a web link also, or even a mobile app also. Even they are not like or not receive any like from web or mobile applications. Suggestion or actionable insights. Target audience below 30 years old. Not only increase the amount of a Facebook followers, but also focus on the Facebook contact to get the most engagement from the Facebook. Target to increase users, send them some pop-up links. They are not logged in our Facebook from us since long time, and contact also should be focused in the mobile rather than desktop. Target to inactive man users, there are not using Facebook. Introduce some activity like games, short video for mans, because inactive users are man more than a female. For this project, thank you.